Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best free handwritten note-taking app for Android tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android tablet. So firstly what you need to do is just open the Play Store. And in the Play Store, just search for one application name as Concept. And on the first list, you'll see the application. Just click on it. And now just click on this install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on Open. You can see here some preview. So you can just swipe. You can see here start with basics. Just click on it. You can see this kind of user interface. So on the left side, you can create different folders depending upon your needs. And on the right side, you can see all the folders created here. And below you can see here new train. Just click on it. You can see here all the options that is being showing on the right side. So you can see here various styles, left hand or right hand, depending upon your needs. So I'll not make you bored by showing each and every features here, so you can check out by yourself. So you can either use your hand or a stylus also. You can use your hand also, so you can see, or you can use your stylus pen or pencil, whichever you want to write. So let me write here. Hello. So you can change the smoothness of your writings also, as you can see here right now, the level. So just make it to 0 and let us try writing again now. So you can see the smoothness has increased, and you can change the pencil or pen size. So let us write again. So you can see it has become thinner. So you can see tons of options here. So you can change the color also. So you can see here tons of colors. You can choose different colors here depending upon your needs. And once you're done, if you want to save it, you can just click on this icon. And now you will see here export option. You can export it JPG, which is a pre version. The PNG is in the pro version, so there are tons of options depending on the Photoshop version, PSD, and you can export it to the PDF, which is available in the pro version. You can select a screenshot, enter drawing, plain white paper, and you can click on save. And you can select the file locations and click on save, and it will get saved. And if you want to move back to the default front page, just click on this icon on the left top corner. Then now you can see your recently created notes, as you can see, and you can create multiple notes depending upon your needs. So in my opinion, it's one of the best free handwritten note-taking app for Android tablets that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.